Hello everyone, today we will introduce how to use URL generator. ScrapeStorm supports URLs generator, which is to automatically batch generation of URLs you need by setting certain rules. The settings of Smart Mode and Flowchart Mode are the same. URLs generator is generally used for multi-URL scraping scenarios, which can be divided into two cases. 1. There is no next page button on the page. In this case, you cannot scrape it by clicking the next page button. The URLs of each page of this kind of website generally only have some different parameters, such as page number. So you can use the URLs generator to generate URLs for all pages at once, and then scrape them by multiple URLs. 2. When you need to scrape multiple URLs that are compliant with certain rules, then can use the URLs generator to generate URLs without having to manually fill them out. In general, the basic structure of the URL is fixed URL, change parameters, fixed URL. Here we use official website as an example. We can see that the URL is the same except for the page number. Now let's introduce how to use URLs generator. Step 1. Enter the first part of the fixed URL. Step 2. Click Add Param. Step 3. Set the first param and set the parameter type to number. Then configure parameters such as start value, end value, and step size. Step 4. Click Add Param, add the second parameter, set the parameter type to customize, and then paste the second half of the fixed URL into it. If not, this step can be skipped. We can see the resulting URLs in the URLs preview. Click Create to complete the task creation, and set paging to none in the task. That's all for today. Thank you.